What's up, operators? This is Jet DesertFox, and today I've got a Tokyo Marui 870 shotgun duel between Bob, the Axeman Hildebrand, and myself. Place your bets now and enjoy.
Oh, come on. Run up on. X-ray down.
Round 2, place your bets.
Whoa! Hit!
Tied at 1 point each, final round. Place your bets.
Oh, come on. Oh my God, really? Oh, woo! Dude, I only shot one BB. Oh, thank you, thank you. Good game, sir. Shake hands. Excellent game. Thank you, thank you.
A lucky single shot from my shotgun wins me the game. Let me know what you operators thought of the duel, and if you bet correctly on each round. As always, this is Jet DesertFox, and I'll see you on the field.
Tagline.